Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds Fight. This unique game combines match-3 puzzle action with role-playing elements. Your main goal is to match 3 or more identical birds on the grid to launch attacks against your opponent. You'll also collect and equip various gear pieces to boost your bird's power and defense. Prepare to engage in thrilling real-time battles, where strategic matching is key to victory. It's a fast-paced and engaging experience. To master the puzzle board, you'll swipe to swap adjacent birds, aiming to create lines of 3 or more. Matching 4 birds creates a horizontal or vertical attack, while matching 5 birds generates a powerful bomb. Each bird type has a unique skill, activated by matching its color. As you make matches, you'll fill the fever time meter. Once full, you enter a bonus period where all matches deal significantly increased damage, offering a crucial advantage. Powering up your flock is essential for success. You can equip various gear items, such as hats, weapons, and accessories, each providing different stat boosts like attack or defense. These items can be upgraded using coins and materials earned from battles, making them even more potent. As you progress, you'll unlock new birds, each bringing unique special abilities to the fight. Customizing your bird's appearance and selecting the right gear for each battle is a key strategic element. To consistently win your fights, focus on creating the longest possible chains for devastating attacks. Pay attention to your opponent's bird type and prioritize matching birds that have a type advantage. Strategically deploy your fever time when you can make many matches, maximizing your damage output during this critical period. Remember to adapt your gear and bird selection before each battle, tailoring your setup to counter specific opponents or overcome challenging stages. Good luck and have fun battling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.